Hello, and welcome to my long-awaited return to whatever it is I'm doing. Has it been that long? Alright, but now I'm back. I took like half my videos down because I tend to not like them after like half a year. Today I come to you with a message and a box.
Oh, what's in the box?
Today this thing arrived and it kind of made me want to record something, but I don't see the point in recording something just because this arrived, so I thought I'd clear a bunch of things up. I once uploaded an update video in which I announced a couple of things. Those things are most probably still going to happen. It's just been put on the sideline, which is why I took said video down. I myself have been working on a bigger project in which I break down an entire film series, kind of a small-scale documentary, if you will. So I'll be working on that, if anyone cares. So I'll be working on that while wasting money.
What's in the fucking box?
And what this is comic books. I'm happy to say this video was sponsored by Modern Graphics, and they didn't sponsor shit, I just bought comics. Big shout out to Modern Graphics, who I got this from. I've been waiting to get my hands on these books for a good long while. What do we have? Oh my goodness! Oh, 3 at once. So, I am so fucking excited for this shit. This is quite a pile of books, fuck. While I have been absent, I have been working on videos, I just haven't gotten around to finishing and or publishing any of them. This is Batman Nightfall, which goes in this order. Batman Prelude to Nightfall, followed by Nightfall Volume 1 and Volume 2. Then next up, now I know how to open this. So since I'm taking a good long while to open these books, I thought I'd use this to talk about what I wanted to announce, which is a project that will take the form of a series of videos in which I talk about and break down the Saw series of films. Now, I've talked about these films on the channel before, and if you know me in real life or have talked to me, you will probably have witnessed me talk about these films at length. Well, most of these films are not very good. They have implanted themselves somewhere in my consciousness and have me unable to not think and talk about them constantly. So now I'm doing this video series project to sort of exercise this franchise from my brain. It's like a demon that's implanted itself, and this is the exorcism. And if you don't really know anything about these films, let me just say, this empty husk of a franchise has been the bane of my miserable existence ever since October 2020, when I first watched through the entirety of this despicable abomination called the Saw series. And as much as these films ruined my ability to lead a happy and healthy life, they are at the same time one of these things that bring me joy. But in all honesty, the gore does not bother me in the slightest. These movies are just so bad that I need to take a closer look at how this franchise became what it is, and more importantly, why. To make talking about the films more digestible, I'll be doing it in 3 parts. The first 3 films, the original trilogy. Films 4 through 7, what I call the Hoffman saga. Jigsaw and Spiral, the new era of Saw films that were shot well after the original series had ended. I said now I know how to open this. I'm absolutely fucking lost. This is well packaged though. Good job. Batman Night Quest The Crusades Volume 1 and 2. And Batman Night Quest The Search. And then we've got Night's End. Followed by this little lovely book, Prodigal. These things are pretty hard to come by at the moment. So again, big shout out to Modern Graphics. And this is all of them except the final one, Troika, which I'm still missing. Fuck, this is a load of books. And then additionally I got A Death in the Family, and I think I can end this section with that. So do I have any clue of what I want to say for the end of this video? No. Did I say everything I wanted in this video? I don't know, I didn't script anything. Do I have better things to do than this video? Yes, I have stuff to get done. Am I working on what I should be working on? No, I'm sitting here talking about comics. That's it. Bye.